Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. We are asked daily about the new technological advances in thermostats. There's so many different thermostats out there nowadays, it gets a little bit confusing. But let's just cover the basics. The old thermostat used to be touch it, temperature up, temperature down. Then we got into programmable thermostats that were nice so we could help save energy and set the temperature back during the day or during the night. Nowadays, these are smart thermostats that look a lot like this. They can be managed on your phone or on your computer. You can program them just like the previous generations, but what's unique about this is you can look at it, monitor, and know what's going on. If you were not aware or just completely forgot it was going to be hot today, you can set the temperature and maintain your house for a more efficient level when you get home. Most of all, just understand that smart thermostats in the industry are going to help you save money, help you be more comfortable, and help you manage it from a distance.
You can call Oak Island.